Are you confident that your organization's internal controls are rock solid? Or do you lie awake at night wondering if you're exposed to potential risks? Becoming a certified internal control auditor could be the solution you've been searching for. Without proper internal control auditing, organizations risk financial losses, operational inefficiencies, and costly legal repercussions. Employees left unaware of internal control protocols can inadvertently expose your company to significant vulnerabilities. For individuals, a lack of internal control auditing skills can hinder career growth and leave you ill-equipped to identify and address control weaknesses, potentially jeopardizing your professional standing. But fear not. The Certified Internal Control Auditor course is your lifeline, empowering you with the tools to ensure your organization's internal controls are robust, effective, and aligned with industry best practices. Through this comprehensive training, your organization will gain a robust auditing framework, enabling you to proactively identify and mitigate control risks, foster a culture of accountability, and safeguard against financial losses and legal repercussions. As an individual, you'll master the art of conducting thorough internal control audits, interpreting complex regulations and standards, and developing effective remediation plans to address any gaps or weaknesses. Don't let internal control challenges hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of auditing expertise and register for the Certified Internal Control Auditor course today. Your path to operational excellence starts here.